Hi, I'm Satyanarayana. Today I'll discuss about a cheat sheet. A cheat sheet is a reference document where you'll prepare for your project before jumping into it. Today I'll take the example of IoT Smart Camera. IoT Smart Camera is nothing but normally, right? You have these IoT systems where you have a camera, right? To the some of the surveillance cameras or home automation cameras, right? So there will be intelligence which will be added to this regular IoT or IoT cameras in the industry. So the cheat sheet normally is prepared, right? Is a step-by-step process wherein the first step, right? What you will be doing is you should consider the what is the value add you're getting right from this product. Basically, a regular camera, right? You can have a regular picture and store it in your desktop or cloud, but what is the advantage you get with this IoT smart camera? Basically, you have to give a brief idea, right? What is the value add you're getting with this IoT smart camera? Then next step, right? So coming to the conclusion, how do you develop how the camera works, how you develop the solution, how do you deploy the solution, all these, right? You need to because by the start of the project you will not be having any knowledge about the how the camera works. First you need to know how the system works, right? So you need to grab the information, right? By using internet resources, chat gpt, bard and all AI resources, or AI tools, right? So you'll prepare the document in the step 2. So once you know the complete functionality of the product, right, then the next step is splitting the product, right? Splitting the complete system into different functionalities. So each functionality, right, you can develop individually and integrate it. So how do you separate the system, right, into different functionalities? That we will be covering in step 3. So then coming to step 4, so each system, right, will have a block diagram. So how do you develop each block? If you consider each block, right, what are the hardware you use, what is the software you are using, what is the architecture you are getting, all this, right, everything will be there in the step 4. Step 4, right, will have a complete description about the hardware design, software design and software development. All the documents, right, will be prepared in this step 4. So in complete understanding of the system and the complete blocks, right, and how the blocks are communicating with each other, how are you getting the blocks developed, and what are the softwares you're using for coming up with the for the block. Either you have to use some open source or you have to develop your own components, right? Everything will be there in this step 4. Step 5, right, it's a testing. So in case of testing, what is the method you are using for testing, and what are the test cases you are testing, right? Each block has its own methods of testing. So all these will be will be there in the testing reference doc. Then coming to step 6. In step 6, you'll have the complete understanding of in which industry you're using. Suppose you are using in a home automation industry, right? What are the use cases? You have to describe some of the use cases, right, in this. So for hospitality industry, what is the use case? And so in some cases what happen is there will be difference of features pertaining to home automation industry and as well as your hospitality industry. In some cases, even these smart cameras will be used in the surveillance industry. So the use case will be different. You have to different. And in step 4, right, you keeping these in mind, right, you have to design in step 4, so that, right, your system will get scalable in future. So in upcoming videos, I'll be describing about how you achieve step 1. So for each steps, right, there will be subsequent videos. So thank you, and I'll come back again. Thank you.